Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here today to work in my DIY custom disc-bound planner. It is half letter size, and I'm using this as a PR planner. I'm still in the process of setting everything up, so I don't know why, but I'm just slow with setting up a planner. I have not done the dividers yet. I've been busy with other things, but I did go in and do a little decorating for the month and make some notes there. Last week's spread, this is why I need dividers so I don't have to flip. This is last week's spread using the jewel box and deco pieces from the seasonal pages. So I'm going to move on to this week, and I'm going to stay with this insert for this week. And before I close this up for now, and show you what stickers we're going to be using, I'm going to go ahead and cut my jewel box vellum and add that in, as well as the acetate. I'm only going to use one sheet for now, and I'm going to store these back in the original envelope, if I can find where I put it at. So, and then I'm going to just store these back in the envelope until I'm ready to use them. So basically, because this is half letter, all I need to do is cut these in half. Let's move that out of the way a little bit more. So, I'm just going to cut these both at 5.5. So I have one for this planner, and then I'll have one for my ring planner. Until I decide exactly where I want everything to go. Just wipe that off. Because I will have sections for all of my PR stuff. So the jewel box will have its own section. Maybe I don't want to put that right there. Let's put it with the acetate. Yeah, that's better. Okay. So I may not have any of this in the front. We're going to simplify. All right, so I'm going to set that aside because it's fairly large and takes up space on my desk. So this week is the 5th through the 11th. I'm going to use Strength is in Her by the Jewel Box. And let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and put down my date covers. And I chose this one because it's more colorful. I like the color. And I didn't want to get into the winter layouts yet, so this made sense to me. So let's put down some washi. I don't often get to use this gray, and I don't know what made me think I would be able to use it with this spread. I think the black would probably be better. Yeah, let's put down some black. So my phone is on and popping this morning. Lots of messages popping in. And I always feel like I need to answer right away, even though I know I don't, but this washi tape is a little tough. I don't like that Wednesday is a little crooked and I can't fix it. So again, this is for PR. So I don't need like pay bills, payday, journal, remember, relax. So I can always use that on another spread. But I can use notes. And I kind of like this. I mean, I know it's not meant for Halloween, but it kind of gives that vibe. So I wanted to use it. So I am going to do remember on Sunday. I'm going to give myself a checklist on Sunday. And I wanted to use that purse, but I won't for now. Let's put some washi right here. Need to bring that pink in somewhere else. So I'm going to use some of my to-do stickers from Piper Paper Company because I kind of want some script on here, not just headers. So let's use those. Let's put down some pumpkins. I probably need to order some more of these because I'm using them quite a bit. I think I want to use some black bows on here too. Okay, so wrapped up in decorating. I almost forgot about the numbers, and I just pulled out the dates rather, and I just pulled out some other sheets. I could use my big numbers, right? I can move some stuff over. Okay, so these are from a batch that didn't cut quite right, but I'm still going to use them. I did get my Cricut to stop cutting all the way through the paper, but this is probably going to take a minute. So I'm just going to scoot it down just a little bit on this one since I already put the remember sticker there. Okay, luckily the last few came up. So I also pulled out, this is from a kit that's available in my shop. And I was thinking I could use some of the pink just to break up some of the black because we got a lot of black going on with the washi tape. So this paper is not forgiving at all. Okay, then let's see. I think that's it. I'm getting a little carried away. I just want to use up as many stickers as I can and still have plenty of room to write. So I think we did that. And it's kind of got a glam kind of feel to it, I think. So let's pop this back in and see what we've got. I really need to get to using this, so that's it for my PR planner spread. I still have lots of room to write in boxes and all over, but it is thoroughly decorated. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.